What do you suggest as far as preparing a Murray calendar lasagna? If you don't want to use a rotisserie oven, like I just found out the hard way. Yeah.
I'm very nerdy, so I prefer reading the package.
Yeah, that helps.
This particular package is very hard to read, so I had to take a picture
Right, it is hard to read.
with my iPhone and then zoom in on it.
Yeah, sure.
And then once I did that, we set the oven here to preheat at 350 degrees
350.
Fahrenheit. And my oven is it's a Frigidaire brand oven. It came with the apartment. It's pretty decent. It's the whole thing's electric. Anyway, it usually takes around 10 to 12 minutes to fully preheat. So I set the timer on the microwave to 12 minutes just in case it's a backup, so we don't take too much time preheating.
But let's show us what this little gadget does.
This is a digital meat thermometer, but you can use it for your food.
Use it for anything.
It's got the temperature.
Kids, don't try this at home. We thoroughly disinfected the needle. Everything is clean. The needle is going to go directly.
The end goes in the food.
Directly in the food.
And the readout can stay on the counter wherever you like. And then because of this nice wire, the sensor can go in the oven in your food.
Can go in
while
the
this
oven in the food.
while the
How about that? How
readout is on
how
here.
about those apples?
Not only that, but you can program the thermometer to what temperature you like. So we've got it. You can see we've got it set to 165 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yeah,
That's
it's
where
set
the
to
lasagna is
165 because per the box, this is what it needs to be for me to eat a healthy food. Right?
Once the lasagna is 165 degrees,
I'm good to go.
this sensor will beep. Actually, it's going to beep about 10 degrees
so
before.
it's literally going to beep as soon as
it's going to beep,
ready.
and then that way you take the food out and it's going to be perfect. That's how you want it.
This sucker is invaluable. How much did you pay for that little sucker?
It was $35.
$35, but yeah,
it's a lot of money.
It's worth it. It's worth it, man. You'll never overcook or from that case, undercook.
As far as meat thermometers go, I've gone through 3 or 4 of them, and they were all a waste of money.
Yeah.
I bought the expensive one, and the company is OXO.
And where does it say it's got to be 165?
This is under the food safety and quality.
Oh, okay, very good.
Way
I got
down
it.
at the bottom.
Okay, yeah. See, most people don't. There we go. Cooked thoroughly to 165. Beautiful. And do not thaw, which is good because I didn't with my lazy ass. But
for you, it's good for you because it's going to cook anyway. It's going to be 165 degrees.
165. So we're going to stick it right in the center here, right, like so in the center. Watch this sucker down. I went from 80 to this thing's going to drop like the friggin' stock market. Watch
I'll go ahead and.
Let's just show the people.
Okay.
Let's just show the people how
it should drop
to zero because
32.
This is. Oh, 32 because you got a Fahrenheit. Oh, you put it back. All right, so Fahrenheit. So it's basically frozen.
The meat thermometer can do Celsius.
Oh, it does. For Celsius, it'd be about 0. So he's got enough Fahrenheit, so it's going to be a 32. I can switch it to
Celsius here.
Yeah, yours you'll see it's dropped to
4.7.
Yeah, practically 0. Practically 0.
I'll switch it back to Fahrenheit.
All right, so Fahrenheit. So we're dealing with 40. We got to go from 40 to 165.
All right, here we go. Ready?
So it's like, so it's not making you horny, it's verb poner, like to put. So you see, they put you horny in Spanish.
All right.
All right, cool, enough of that shit. So this deal goes in with the No, from outside? Oh, that's what you're talking about.
Yeah,
that is dope, man.
Okay, here we go.
I'm digging on that.
Center?
I'm digging on that. So basically,
now watch me close the oven door.
Watch it. Cool.
It is.
So you're getting
the wire.
Yeah.
And the sensor is in while we're reading it outside, and you will see this increase.
Great.
But it only increases. It takes about a minute to start increasing.
Okay.
And then it's going to take the time. It's according to the Marie calendar. Box is going to take 55 to 60 minutes, but we'll verify.
55, 60. We're going to verify it.
So
we're taking the challenge. We're taking the challenge, man.
The microwave timer.
Okay. The actual time was 2:23 p.m.
We're going to go by the temperature.
Okay. 2:23.
Better food.
All right. Very good. 2:23 p.m. So T minus. So we got 1 minute accrued. So all right, cool. So let's. And the countdown begins. 40.3.4. All right, we're gonna see if American calendar's on top of their shit, man. We're gonna see if they're giving us accurate information.
I think so.
This is really fun. This is really exciting. I've never been this exciting to eat lasagna. I swear to fucking God.
Brian, I think you're gonna have some really good lasagna.
I know it, my man. How much these fucking food companies are lying to us? How much bullshit it is. Okay, exactly 22 minutes in. And it went from 40 to 116. So we're about 2/3 of the way there. So it's making pretty good progress. Let's do a little eye test here. Let's see what if we can get a vantage point here. Yeah, it's making good progress. It's still got some to go.
Before that, I was eating fast food for every meal for like my entire life. I ate like, KFC, McDonald's, and Wendy's, all the fast food, Taco Bell, every meal, literally, and that's how I got
diabetes, and then you got diabetes, and then obesity. And then you said, "Fuck that!" It's like it's time for me to take over. Okay, so why is this thermometer better than an actual oven, and put it in for 30 minutes and an hour?
This is just my opinion, but I think the meat thermometer is better than timing your food. Yeah. Because with the thermometer, your food is cooked to an exact temperature. Yeah. Whereas the time can vary based on the oven.
These are variables.
Your oven could be different oven. Could be different temperatures.
There's a half a dozen variables, factors. Yeah, So.
I'm a big fan of these.
I'm a huge fan of it. I've just met it today, but I'm a huge fan of this.
But as you can see, the temperature just beeped at 10 degrees before.
10 degrees before, shy of 165, got it.
So we are going to finish well before the 55 minutes.
Right, so look at this. So 157 right now, 22 minutes, so we're 34 minutes in.
If we were to leave the lasagna in for the full 55 minutes, it would be overcooked.
It would be completely overcooked, wouldn't it not? Yeah. We are on pace to get it out like within minutes. Yeah. And their estimate, Marie Callender's estimations are off by some odd, 20 some odd minutes. Well, not 20, so they're a good 16, 17, 18 minutes, huh? Yeah. They're off by at least 17 minutes. That's ridiculous. Not even. It's going to be done momentarily, huh?
But the biggest judge is going to be Brian.
Yeah,
I'll eats the lasagna.
BJ.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. We will know.
Yeah.
You just edit that.
That's when you're going to know. That's when we're going to know.
And then you can say, no, we need to cook it more.
Mm-hmm. So when do you suggest us just yanking this fucker at like 164 or?
No, I'm gonna say wait till it beeps.
Okay, sure.
That's gonna be in about 2 to 3 minutes, I think.
2 to 3. So this is gonna be off by 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I mean, a solid 20 minutes is what this is gonna be off by. That's really alarming. That's really alarming that they put that on the. They put that on their boxes, 1 hour, and they're shy like 20 minutes. It only really takes 40 when they say an hour. That's really alarming that they'd be off by that much.
So anyway, if the lasagna is good, then that validates my theory that the meat thermometer is really good.
Yeah.
And so that would make this a good video. Maybe helpful for somebody.
This is very helpful. Look at this, 164. Do a rocket countdown, 164. It's basically 165. We're still 20 minutes. It is a good 20 minutes off the pace. That's disturbing.
There we go.
Off. Done deal.
I'm going to turn the ceiling fan off.
No, it's good. I wish we had drum roll. I could dub the drum roll in it anyway. All right. Insert drum roll.
Good?
Absolutely the best lasagna I've had in months.
How's the temperature? Not too frozen?
Yep, it's perfect. It's not. Nice. Yeah, it's just right. The constitution is nice and firm. It's not too watery. It's good. It's not perfect, but it's good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no, it's everything. No. Everything is if you heat it anymore, you'll overdo it. So it's just. You can tell it's just right.
Yeah, I got to go about Yep.
I gotta finish getting this blowjob and finish this conversation. I'll talk to you later.
Right.